Hello world, it's April 29th, 2025. Welcome to a new edition of Cyber Briefing by Cybermaterial. Cyber alerts brought to you by 911 Cyber. Kali Linux urge all users to install new signing key to fix update verification errors. Surge in attacks on Git configuration files raises alarm for organizations worldwide. Critical Linux kernel vulnerability exposes systems to privilege escalation risks. Cyber incidents brought to you by 911 Cyber. Hitachi Vantara confirms ransomware attack linked to Akira Group. Pro-Russian hackers disrupted Dutch websites following support for Ukraine. Cyber news brought to you by 911 Cyber. IBM unveils $150 billion plan to strengthen U.S. innovation in advanced computing. This cyber briefing was produced with Saint, your artificial intelligence newscaster. For more headlines, visit cybermaterial.com.